Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to Shopify theme backup. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. Let's get started. So as you can see, this is what our Shopify dashboard looks like. I am the sales channel on my online store right here. So when I scroll under my themes, I should be able to see that I have here my theme, which is added yesterday, updated yesterday at around 7:47 p.m. So if I want to make a backup of that, I can actually click on this three dots right here. Then from there, click on this duplicate option. Click on that, and then this will create a duplicate of this current theme that you have. So as you can see, it's automatically named as copy of done. So what you can do is after it's actually done loading right here, what you can do is you can click on this three dots that we have, then click on rename. Now on this rename button, you can name it copy of done, and then just input the date right now. I will put in here April 15, 2024. Then after I've done this, I'll just need to click on the save button. Once I have saved this, I should be able to see that I have this right now. And then I can make any changes on the actual site that I have right here. And I can actually click on this publish right here if I want to restore this progress. So that's the whole process. If you want, or if you actually found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.